We have the Fanhome Build the Enterprise D model kit, magazine 29. We're up to part kit 107. Hi guys, Ralph here. We're up to magazine 28 out of 31, so we're really cracking along. This one's going to be the magazine review and the 107. There's going to be some alterations with mine, but I'll go through it because we're starting the second nacelle. So I will go through this just so you can follow along. I have got the second nacelle half built, so later in possibly this magazine there will be some parts that I can put onto that one, and then we can just jump around a little bit. Right, so magazine 28 has got parts for 27, 28, 29, 107, 108, 109, 110. Assembly instructions, yes, just have a quick flick through those. If you don't want to wait until the next episodes, here they are. Here they are. And that, I think, almost finishes the Enterprise, the saucer section, but in the next magazine we'll be attaching that, so we're missing that anyway. So we've got tapestry for the episode synopsis, Birthright Part 1, and surprisingly Birthright Part 2. Starship Mine, lessons, the chase, and frame of mind. And I think there's one more. Actually, who's she in the middle? Oh, okay. Production staff. Oh, she is. Okay, maybe not. Oh, it's Starlight Foundation. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, I didn't realise they did stuff like that. Very cool. Suspicions. That wasn't a bad episode. It was the cloaking one where it went into a star and he was the baddie. And they all blamed the was she Romulan or was she Vulcan? I think she must have been Vulcan. And the blow was with the Klingon, the dodgy Ferengi. So, yes, that's a nice little magazine, and we'll go through that in a bit. When I make these videos, I do have the PDF in front of me, and it shows you everything. If you want to have a copy of these, go onto my Discord channel, the links are below, and we can go through them no problem. You can download whatever you want. Right, so it looks like we have, and this is a sad part, because this is the last windowed section. Apart from the end of the 110, we've got the back end covering where the docking latches are. So we've got the last window section, 2 blocking plates, AP screws, some windows, and the top of the, it's green, isn't it? So it's starboard nacelle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, put them in a box, get everything ready, screws in the pots, and we'll get ready to start assembling 107. So off we go with 107. So part that's going to be used in a bit, so I can keep that to. Actually, we'll keep that there for a minute. It's not don't worry. This is, like I said, this is the last windowed section. It's one of the bigger ones. So the rest of the standard sizes have all been done and gone. So this is going. Is it over here? I don't know. But on the opposite side, I think. Actually, the opposite underneath anyway. So. Let's jump forward a little. So we need to put some windows in here. I always follow the actual parts on here as they go. These go in like that, but I will be following the screws because you need these sections here open for the lights. I'm relatively certain that there are a couple already in the saucer which we need to use, because this is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we only have 3 in here, a double and a single. So yeah, that's cool. So I'm going to put the windows in because there's a bit of assembly and stuff I think is apart from last issue, maybe one before. So I'm going to put the windows in, put these over the top, screw in place with AP screws on these 3 holes only. Yeah. So the windows are in, but make sure you read here. Note that the windows will not be fully secured until more screws are added in step C. Yes, I know that. So we need to get the saucer, which is behind me, and I need to try and, oh no. So these will move quite a lot, unfortunately. So get rid of that, get rid of that. Here comes the saucer. Right, so we need to identify which one is this, because these 2 are going in here afterwards, which are these 2 here. So I need to figure out because this is this side anyway, I have a light there which comes in from the side, which I think probably go in here, and I have another one somewhere else, because this has got to be this one here, 'cause it's coming from the side. There's one that's potentially supposed to be here, maybe coming through there, and if it's not, I have a problem. Okay, I need to find that light. Where are you? I know somebody's there is definitely screaming at me to say it's there, Ralph. Come on. Okay, can't be that one unless both of them are here. Can I loop that round? Nope, because that goes onto there. There appeared to be a light missing then. Or I'm just blind. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, strangely enough, putting a battery pack on it illuminated it straight away. It's one over here that I've left over here and I've splayed outwards, because I thought it might have gone onto these parts, which it didn't. So this is the one that's going probably into the top here, and this is the one going over there. So I need to be really careful putting this now straight, because this is also going to be bent as well. If this snaps, I have spares, luckily enough. Right, this is going to have to go and then probably bent round the other way, so that's not going to be good. So I have one here which needs to go back through there. Where does it come out to? It goes underneath this edge bit. Yes, yes, yes. I think I left it in the last episode anyway, because I didn't want it to do anything. It comes kind of under there and into this square part here. Next to that light. The light goes that way. Oh, it's that one. The square here. Okay, so I need to thread that through and get the cables ready for the next ones to go into the board, and then they're all round here. So the lights now are in for these two extras as well, for being 3 bulbs. These two here are probably going to go up here for the going into the centre section, and not for this, well, for the top section of there, unless it's the part which comes on here, which I think these are usually done by them anyway. So these 3, I'm going to put these 2 together the best I can, because they are going to be the same ones, and these 3 are for the part. So this is where it gets tricky. We have the C part now, which I want to put 4 AP screws in the panel that I've just gingerly put over there, and get that part. Right, okay, so I need to put 4 into there. Where is that part gone? There it is, up here. So I need to put 4 screws in, but then trap 3 of these lights. It does not matter which one goes where. Colour-wise, yes, blue, red, yellow, black, doesn't matter, because they're all just constant lights. There's no flashing on there at all. The thing is, though, as well, with that board now is completely fully populated. With me doing the Arboretum on the back, has took another one off, but there is... it should be done now, I think, the saucer. I think the lighting that goes in here and here and here and here illuminates the part which goes onto the back here to cover up all this gubbins and docks, this saucer with the neck. So I think we are done. We've got lights here for navigation, which go onto a different part of the board. There's a one here, which is in-out, which was the battery. Again, I'm not using the battery, hence that's what these cables here are for. These are going to go straight down through the neck, attach into the neck, and then go into the engineering section, and then out into a power supply inside the base for the stand. So slight differences, what's going on. I mean, later on we are going to be doing this part here. Once this is done, and by the end of this magazine, this lot will be done as well. So it's exciting. Right, what I need to do is be very careful with this and get the other part, which I don't know where it is, which attaches onto the top of here, and put the other 2 in there. Wish me luck. So for anybody saying that I'm not following the instructions exactly, the yellow one is there. So that's not too bad. It's nice to secure in place now with all the screws in. There's always a little bit of, tiny bit of rattling on all of these parts. So that black one is just going the wrong way a little. There we go. That's fine, that's clicked into place. I mean, some of these do kind of move for no reason, but I don't get it. I mean, we've got this part now, which I found has to go in like that and in, but at the same time, I need to put 2 lights in, but this doesn't screw in place. So, we have that one, we have that one. That one's very short. Okay, but these are going to go there anyway, like that. And I've already put the Mike Lane mods on there for the lifeboats. It does look really good with them on. I mean, I'm happy that some people are doing these and not bothering doing the lifeboats, not doing any power supply. This is your model. This is literally the person who's making it, their model. Do what you want. Don't follow me. Don't follow them. Do what you want if you're making this model. So it's enjoyable. It is, to be honest, it is a once in a whatever job to do this. I probably won't be doing this again, although I do see a lot of kits on eBay and I'm thinking, do I want to go through with that again? I don't know. But I wouldn't mind, possibly. But I would definitely do things differently, way, way differently. So I need to get that out of the way and in. That's tugging on there better. Right, so one in there and then one in there. And then hopefully it holds in place, which it does. And then fitting is the next page, that's in D. I need 3 FM screws. I always put these panels in, so there's a bit of dirt in there, that. It's just not painted properly. Some of these parts now are definitely definitely not to the quality, I don't think, of Eaglemoss's hope to start with. Let's try that again. Pour it in. See how easy it is just to mess up just that little bit? I'll just try to make it secure. I'll just try and make it as less of a gap over here. As good as it's going to get. So, I know it wants these parts here. Oh, that's definitely gone straight up. It's not as secure as I want this to be. Part in there. Part in there. I need not to trap the lights, but that's good. I need to see if the lights, the 2 up here, are out of the way, look like they are. So push down and in, and then hold in place until you figure out where the screws are that you need. I need to put that underneath. That looks good. Right, which means look, I need to let go of this and get some screws. So we have the panel in. There's a, oh no, I think there's a gap there. Oh no, that's fine, that's just light leaks around the one that's right here. Light leaks around the black window. Light leaks there, light leaks around here. Shame really. But the battery's in. It's more light in the centre on here than anywhere else. For me, these windows aren't that bright, but on the camera it doesn't look that bad. But hey ho, we have an engine, both engines running, which is good. Although to be honest, they would only run when the source is separated. So that done, that's fine and happy. There was a little bit on here, just needed to push in place because these do butt up a little bit, but not enough. I want to try something, and this is this part here. I want to see if, because I've only got a little bit left to do on there anyway. These are my parts for the power supply, which will go down through the neck. I want to see if this actually fits, because that's where the cable's going to come out. That's fine. Right, so far, I didn't push too much because I've got the LEDs in the wrong place there. It doesn't fully fit, and this is the problem with it, is the whole lot needed butting up from the start. I mean, that's fine. That's not... That will go... Yeah. It's not far off. It isn't far off at all. It possibly might squeeze in as it's going. So there's the saucer almost fully finished, but we're going to get that later anyway. So, ooh, little thing there. Cool, but these will screw in. There's a couple of screws which are underneath here as you look. This is actually now permanently fitted, this. These 2 screws here need to come out, and then 2 other different ones go straight in. So that's for another time. I think that's actually for the next magazine, because obviously I've been saying that I do other PDFs on the Discord channel. So pop along and have a go and have a listen, have a talk. I have a little bit of a dimple there where the screw's been too long, and I hate doing them. Plastic ones I can sometimes push out, but the metal ones are an absolute nightmare. Better. Sometimes it's better to just screw in as best you can and then wait. This part here did need to clip into place afterwards, so it's yeah, it's fine. There's a possibility that these might actually be loosened when we get round to it. The reason for that is this part might be raised up a little fraction of a millimetre, so you're probably best loosening it a little bit and making these meet with that, so you'll never see it. So that's done. I think that screw wires down there won't be hidden because the neck part is going over, so it actually shouldn't matter so much anyway. Cool, done. Next part, we have the nacelle. Anybody watching this long time, thank you very much for watching. And this is the final part of this episode, this part 107. Is get the green one, which we have a green one now. These are originally blue, and fit it in place. Ta-da! Why can't we do more on this? We'll go through this. I think the next one will have more nacelle stuff. Yeah, nacelle in this corner as well, but not this one. But we are plodding along for the next one. With that in mind, done. That's 107 complete. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, come and join my Discord channel and have a chat, consider being a Patreon and help me out with the channel. And I'll see you in another, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.